I have dry shampoo chunks in my hair. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I need a pick-me-up. I've been having a pretty bad week. It's only Tuesday, but it's been rough. Being an adult is just so fun, and sometimes your days suck. So yeah, I've been in a stump, not feeling creative at all, not even wanting to wear makeup. The weather's been like all crazy as well, and everything has just been affecting my mood. So today I thought the best thing to lift up my spirits is makeup. Will always be makeup. Doing makeup always makes me feel better, so I thought now's a perfect chance because you really need it. So I just want to play with color today. It's kind of spring, summer soon, so I want to play with colors and I want to do something creative and fun. Easy though, I don't want to get super complicated. You guys know that's not how I roll. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do, but I just know I want it to be colorful and I want it to be fun, creative. Let's get the juices flowing and my mood lifted, okay? If you want to see me do some fun, colorful makeup, or you just want to lift your spirits, or you're looking for some spring, summer makeup inspiration, this is a video for you. Let's get going. Okay, so I know I want to play with color, as I already said it 25 times in the intro, but I specifically want to play with pink and orange, or pink and green, but I think I'm gonna go pink and orange. I've been loving this color combo. Just, yeah, the bright colors, and I want to do something simple but bright. So I'm gonna play with pink and orange today. And I'm gonna play with eyeliners, not even gonna bother with eyeshadow because I just want to do something quick. So for my eyeliners, I'm gonna use the Kiko Milano Lasting Precision Automatic Eyeliner in Kohl in the shade 3, which is this beautiful pink color. And then I'm gonna use this ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in Poppy. Or Puppy? Yeah, I think Puppy. It's kind of rubbed off. And it's this color right here. This was, I think they don't make this anymore. I've had this for way too long, but it still works. Swatched it, smells great, and hopefully it won't irritate my eyes. So I'm going to use these two. And I think I'm just going to do a line of one color on top and a line of one color in the bottom, but I don't know which color I want to do on top and which color I want to do in the bottom. Yeah, I think we're gonna do pink. We're gonna do pink on top, orange in the bottom, and all I'm gonna do is line my eyes. Nothing fancy, no wings, no nothing. Don't have the emotional energy to get into wings right now. You know, you ever have one of those days? Because for me, that's every day. So let's get to it. Let's get some liner on our eyes. And these liners are very easy to use, which is why I picked them. You see, I'm really bad at eyeliner, and this is going on very, very easily. Glides on, doesn't tug at the eyes. If you're someone who can just do eyeliner, like you close your eye and you just go, how do you do that? How do you freaking do it? I can't even do this without this. I don't know. I'm confused all the time. I think it would also be like super fun if I did like a layering like this one and then the orange, but I'm not gonna do that. It would take too much time, but I think it would be a fun look. So you can customize this look however you want. There are a million ways to use these eyeliners. Okay, so top line is done. I wanted to get, you know, a little bit thick so that you can actually see that I'm wearing pink, that I'm wearing pink eyeliner. But you can also do it if you want to be super subtle about it. You can just do like a very thin line. You don't have to go all out, but I think it just looks cool, statement. And I'm feeling better already. I'm feeling better already. Now I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Puppy color, which is just like an orangey. This is pretty neon, so I'm gonna put this, I think, on my waterline and my lower lash line. I really like it like this, like not all out, but I think I'm still gonna go in because I want some more color, but I really like the look of just, you know, I don't know if you're even gonna be able to tell because maybe it's a little bit too subtle, but I like it. I'm gonna smudge this. Wow, it's hard to talk and do this at the same time. I'm gonna smudge this on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna make sure I connect the two colors. Fuck, I just broke that. No! Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I connect both colors in the outer corner. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this. I am obsessed. I am truly obsessed with this. Do you see me feeling better? Because I see myself feeling better. This is I'm a genius. I am an artiste. An artiste. Anyways, I'm gonna go in now with a little bit of mascara. I don't want to go overboard because, you know, I want to help the colors shine, but I do feel like I need a little bit of framing. So I'm gonna use the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, and I'm gonna go in with a thin coat of this. This really elongates and separates my lashes, which is what I want. I don't want a lot of volume because I want the color to shine through. Okay, so mascara is on. It just made everything better, I think. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder, and I can't see the colors from all the way there. But here, in real life, they're looking really good. So that is it for the eyes. Super simple. You can use this color combo. You can use another color combo. You can get creative with this. This is just what I was feeling. Super simple, easy to create, and it's amazing. So now I'm gonna move on to my face. Then I'm gonna do my brows because I don't want to get foundation on my done brows, okay? Let's get to that. For my skin, I want to keep it super minimal. It's spring, summer feeling, so I want to keep it very fresh, glowy, and natural. So first, I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. This is new for me, and I really enjoy it because it's different from other, like, pore blurring primers. It doesn't feel very silicone-y. It's more like hydrating, and it kinda blurs but doesn't at the same time. It's kind of like diffusing but not blurring, and I actually like that. So for my base, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer and a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Mix these two together, they make the perfect glowy mixture, and they give me the perfect, like, barely there look. I'm gonna conceal with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I love this. This is the shade Classic Ivory. It's also a little color correcting, but I find that it's very nice, and it gives me, like, medium coverage, and it feels very, very nice under my eyes. Lightweight, and yeah. It looks pretty damn good for a concealer that's less than $5. Once concealer is on, I'm gonna powder a little bit with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, if I can find my brush. And I'm just gonna do the T-zone right now because I'm using cream products for my cheeks. For bronzer, I don't want to do a lot. I mostly want to focus on the blush for this look, but I do want a little bit of definition. Not so much warmth because I'm kind of looking for that with the blush. But I'm going to go in with my Armani A contour thing in number 20. And I'm just going to use this to contour my skin, basically. This is also very light. It's very watery, and it blends in pretty seamlessly, so it's exactly what I'm looking for because I don't want anything that's, like, too heavy for my skin. Now that that's done, just at, like, usual places you contour, I'm gonna go in with blush. For blush, I wanted to keep it in, like, the orange pink family, so peach basically. So I'm gonna go in with the Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm in Golden Hour, which my sister has stolen from me and I just recovered. Love being an older sister, it's so fun. You should try it sometime. I'm just literally gonna apply this kind of everywhere. Okay, once you have blush approximately everywhere, it's time to go in with some freckles. I'm using my Freck XL, and I'm just gonna do a few freckles here and there. Hopefully I'm better at this than I was last time. Okay, freckles are on. I'm just gonna go in with my blush brush and just the excess. I'm not gonna go in with any more blush. And I'm just gonna boop this on top so that the freckles look a little more natural. Freckles always add something amazing. I am feeling better already. The color is giving me life. So now let me move on to the brows and the lips, and we'll be done. Okay, for the brows, I really just want to keep them, like, fluffy and very wispy, non-defined. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just fill in some sparse areas with my glossy brow flick. Literally just the tiniest bit. And then to slick them up and fluff them even more, I'm going in with the Patrick Ta Shaping Wax. This is a tinted one. I wish I didn't have the tinted one because it can get a little messy. But this is what we have. It's what we're going to be working with, and that's fine. I don't want to grab a lot of product. I want it to be as minimal as possible. Brows they look insane. I don't know why they look so dark over there. Here they look a little bit more normal, but they are very poofed up. I love that. So now all I have left to do is the lips. For the lips, definitely want to keep it super natural. There is a lot of color going on already. So I think I'm just going to go in with my Glossier Generation Glow Stick and Cake. This is very, very neutral. It's my go-to for everyday wear. And I'm just going to line a little bit with my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao. You guys know this is literally the only lip liner I use nowadays. And let's go in with some lipstick. I think a lip gloss would also be super pretty with this, so just like a clear lip gloss, I think it would be really pretty, but I went the lipstick route because I don't want to deal with slimy lips right now. Okay, once the lips and the brows are done, then the look is complete. My dog just literally farted in my face. That's amazing. Let me just show you what we're working with right here. I'm really loving this look. I think everything just ties in perfectly. It's a perfect spring-summer look. You can simplify it, as I was mentioning, or you can make it even more like graphic and cool and crazy. I am in love with how this turned out. I love the color combo. I love how the rest of the face complements it. Just looks very fresh, very alive, exactly what I needed to lift my mood. So I am happy with how this look turned out. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know. Okay, you guys, mission accomplished. I'm feeling better already. Mood has been lifted. I love the effect makeup can have on your mood, and I think this is such a look. And it was so easy too. Like, it was super quick. I didn't really have to do much. I'm happy with the way it turned out, and I think this is gonna be a winner for all spring and summer. Just saying. If you loved this video and maybe want to see more like it, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content like today's tutorial, then make sure to subscribe. I post videos every single week and I would love to have you be a part of my little YouTube community. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something new. I hope you had just as much as fun as I did while filming, and I will see you in my next video, okay? I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.